Hello, Driving Intelligence community. I got this old watch. I found that the battery was dead, and I hate to leave dead batteries because they could corrode or cause internal damage. I got this old watch from Walmart. It's seriously cool. It has a lot of functions on it. I like the analog and digital, but it takes two batteries. I can't recall, but I think one of the batteries is for light, and then the other one is for operation. In any event, it's a little complicated to get it apart, so I'm going to do that here on YouTube for you, just in case anybody else has one of these. Okay, so getting back to my objective, I like to fix things myself instead of paying people or throwing things away unnecessarily. I've got myself a little screwdriver kit here. To start the battery replacement, you need to remove this rear cover. Pretty easy, it just snaps on. You can barely see a little indentation right here, a little difference in formation of that rear cover. For a screwdriver, you put a screwdriver in there. I put a very small one and then tap it lightly with a small hammer. Very, very lightly. It'll release this cover with its gasket, and then that gives you access to the internals. I'm going to use a screwdriver to release the first battery, this big battery right here. I got to take this screw out, and that will release this plate that holds that battery in. Battery cover plate and the screw are removed, and that exposes the battery. So I need to get a new battery for this. And now I see the additional battery underneath there that needs to be removed and replaced. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, but there's a plastic protective film on top of this to prevent the two batteries from shorting each other out. So I'm going to have to take off this white cover by removing 4 more screws. This white cover will come off with this plastic protective coating, and then I can get to that battery. Okay, all of those screws are removed, and I can remove this cover. Now I simply lift this component here, this little circuit board, and that will give me access to that battery. It's a lot of work for probably what was a $20 watch. Okay, so both batteries are removed, and I need a magnifying glass to see the one on the left. That is puny, can't even focus on that. So I've gotten my new batteries in. What a deal on Amazon. These are the, let's see, 377, 62, 626, AG4 LR 626, all compatible numbers, and I think I got this for less than $6 delivered to the house, which is amazing, from Amazon. But now I'm going to reassemble this watch. I pushed one of the batteries out, and I'm going to and I didn't use my fingers. You don't want to put any grease on that, so I'm going to use tweezers to reinsert it into that little area. So I'm reassembled. Maybe I should have taken you through that, but I showed you disassembly. This plate is the last one that goes on. I put the other new battery in here. It seems like this battery, the big one, is for the digital movement, and then the small battery is for the analog movement, which is kind of interesting. I figured that the bigger battery would support kind of a mechanical movement. Anyway, all these little screws in there are extremely small, need to be reinserted, and you can see that I've set it and it's working properly. Pretty cool, cheap watch, and repairing with cheap batteries. Oh, and it's a Japan movement, so I think that's kind of cool. Made, let's see, what does it say? Somewhere on there it says Japan movement. Anyway, thanks for watching. Just something I need to get done. Thought I'd share how to get it done. I've never seen a video on this particular watch before. And with that completion, now I need to put batteries in the rest of these watches. Thanks for watching. Please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. See you next time on Driving Intelligence.